what's up guys, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a model kit from Kotobukiya which came from the video game Zone of the Enders. And to be honest, I'm not familiar with this game because I haven't been played this kind of video game, but it looks anime-ish, and I find that this kit that I have here, which is the Jehuty, very nice. It looks like an Anubis from an Egyptian god or something. So I had an interest to buy this, but to be honest, I much like the Vic Viper, which is the upgraded version of the pilot or the protagonist pilot of this Jehuty, but I had a hard time looking for that kit. So instead of buying that, I chose to buy his first mecha suit or mecha model, which is the Jehuty. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Kotobukiya Jehuty is all about. So the box art here shows the Jehuty from the Zone of the Enders Anubis. So this is the protagonist Mecha from that video game, and it's from Kotobukiya, and it says a non-scale full action plastic model kit Jehuty. So in the side of the box, we can see the specs of this mecha model. We can see the gimmicks here with the booster and the arms, the design of the arms, the blade in the arms, and we can wield it, and he can wield it from the halt position and the fighting position. So there we can see the front view and rear view. We have here the action base stand, and there's this feet or the foot with landing gear deployed and undeployed. On the other side of the box, we can see some Japanese text, but unfortunately I cannot understand or read any Japanese text. And we can see here Zone of the Enders Anubis. So if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual, and the instruction manual has the same picture from the box art. So it says here Jehuty, and there's the action pose of the Jehuty model kit. And there on the first page of the manual, we can see some Japanese text explanation, but unfortunately I cannot read it. And there are the other variants and arts of this model kit here. And we can see here the parts list, and as I can observe, this parts list is not that much, so this is an easy build, to be honest. Maybe I can build this within 2 hours, if depends on my mood. So the printout here is black and white, the typical Kotobukiya instruction manual. And there in the back part of the manual, we can see some poses and gimmicks of this kit, the rear and front view of this kit, and some color guides if you want to paint it by yourself. So let's go to the packs. We have here some goldish colored runners and white runner here. So these are for the inner frames. Mostly the color of the frame here are goldish. And I think the color is very nice. It's not your typical Gunpla colored scheme. And we have here black parts and gray parts for the armor pieces. We have black parts for the armor pieces. We have gray parts. And here we have some joint parts here, polycaps, black polycaps. We have pieces here for the action base stand, and we have this action base with some markings from the zone of the Enders Anubis. So it's very nice that this model has a stand included, so you don't need to buy any third-party stand if you want to display your Kotobukiya action kits here. And we have some clear parts here for, I don't know, maybe this one for the eyes and for the armor parts. And we have here this little visor here, which is clear gray colored piece here. I hope you can see it clearly in the screen because I don't have enough lighting here in my place. And there we have some gimmicks for the booster. There we have color or pre-painted part there with some transparent connectors there that you will place on the back of your model. So let's check the runners after this. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here white runners, and these are, or this is the runner C. So this is for the blade and other details of the kit. We have here a goldish colored runner for the runner A. So this is for the armor pieces or the inner frames, or rather inner frames. We have here runner B. We have two sets of runner B here for the hands and inner frame parts. We have here gray runner for the runner D, and this is mostly for the shield and the leg part. We have here black runners. So these are the runner F. And we have runner H for the black runners, and another runner H. So we have two sets of runner H here for the armor pieces. We got two sets of runner E for the armor pieces, and these are gray parts. We got some polycaps, and this is in black color. We have small runner here for the eye visor, which is runner J, and we have runner I for the clear bluish or bluish green runner. So this is clear parts, and this is runner I. And finally we got runner G for the connector parts, and this is dark blue colored runner. And finally we have here this pre-painted part for the booster parts. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. I hope you get nice info on this unboxing review of our Kotobukiya Zone of the Enders Anubis game, and this kit is the Jehuty. Again, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying goodbye, God bless, and take care.